students, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. So today's topic is human body. Human body is like a living machine made up of different organs and systems that work together to keep us alive and healthy. Now solve the crossword given below using the hints provided. So you have the hints here. Let's begin with the down ones first. This organ produces bile. This is liver, L-I-V-R. Fourth, hinges joint formed by the meeting of femur and tibia. This is knee, K-N-E-E. Then organ made of cardiac muscles. This is heart, H-E-A-R-T. Another name for voice box, larynx. The spelling is L-A-R-Y-N-X. Now let's do the across one. First, ABO, are its types. These are blood groups. B-L-O-O-D, blood. Number 3, organs with layers called epidermis and dermis. This is your skin, S-K-I-N. Canines and molars are its types. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Number 7, hardest tissue in the human body, enamel, E-N-A-M-E-L, enamel. Number 9, medulla oblongata is a part of this organ. This is your brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Number 10, rhinoplasty is performed in this part, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. With that, students, this chapter is also finished. You just have to fill in the boxes with the correct spellings that I just have told you in the down and the cross ones, and then you have to memorize the terms as well.